Listen up, crew. Our bounties are 2 Imperial officers and a pirate. Our goal is to capture them and collect any crates they're transporting. Thanks to Hondo's intel, we know they're on Tatooine. Grogu and I will meet you there.
Right, pilot. Make the jump to hyperspace. And good luck.
This is the ship Hondo sends. Let's see what it can do. Hondo wants crates. Practice on these. Engineers, hit the flashing button to activate your traction beam. You're getting warmed up. Gunners, take out those scouts. Good work, gunners. Enough practice.
Yeah, you guys are good pilots. And she's filming.
Not your first time piloting.
Grogu, don't touch those buttons. I said, don't touch. Any plan? Catch one bounty. They're splitting up. Chase them down. Hit the boosters. They're escaping. We need to know where they're headed. Left engineer, launch the homing beacons. Good work. We can only follow one. Bespin, Coruscant, or Endor. Right, engineer. Pick our destination. Fast. Endor. Let's see what we find. Grogu, buckle up. Check the light speed. The Death Star.
Oh my god.
He's trying to hide. Pilots heading to the wreckage, but be on alert. It's okay, kid. You're safe with me. They clocked us. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Engineers, grab the crate with your tractor beam. Gunners, you're up. Stay on target. Watch out, you'll stall the ship. There's a bounty. Follow him. You're not gonna make it. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Open the hatch. Retrieving the bounty. Now. Time to fly back to it. More clock your tractor. We have to get out of here. Gunners, release the torpedo. Now. Great shot. Let's stop before there's any further crisis. Make the jump to light speed. Mission complete. Yes, you can say hi to your friends.
Unloading crates now. Respectable haul. To the right buyer, we can fetch a very good price.
Good work, crew. Grogu and I will hand over the pirate to the New Republic when they arrive. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Not you, Hondo. The kid.
Did we get a high score? Did I break it?
Right?
Good. Hot shot, Jay.
Yeah.
Great job. I hurt my elbow, but it was worth it.